Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about what has been growing my lashes so crazy. I've been getting questions like, are you using a lash serum? Which one are you using? And I haven't answered a lot of questions because I wanted to do this video and give you guys the full 100% honest review and give you my thoughts. So what I am using is the X-Lash Eyelash Serum, which looks like this. They reached out and sent me this product along with their mascara and their X-Lips lip treatment. Without rambling on too long, that lip treatment is so good. I've been putting it on before all of my liquid lipsticks, especially if I'm wearing one that's matte. It's just the right amount of hydration, and by the time I'm done with my makeup, if I have any left, just tissue it off, go in with your matte lipstick. It's amazing. But we're focusing today on the lash serum. So I did receive this in order to try it. I'm not being paid to make the video though. It's not sponsored. It's just my honest thoughts. That's what they wanted. They just said, hey, you want to try this out? Let your viewers know what you think. I said, absolutely. It says lashes are up to 45% longer and fuller after 28 days use. Effectiveness proven in clinical trials and full satisfaction guaranteed. So you can get your money back if you decide to order it and then you're like, oh, I'm not super satisfied with it, which I don't think will be the case. So I'm gonna tell you too why it has taken me so long to make this video, and I can only imagine that their customer service has to be absolutely outstanding because this is way overdue. I've had this lash serum for a while. It's very difficult for me to get into a pattern or a routine of using a product. I just can't remember to do these things, and it takes me a long time. Apart from my skincare routine, there is nothing that I am super consistent about. Maybe making videos, but even then, you guys know I upload at random times, random days, and it's hard for me to kind of create a schedule. My brain is very scattered in that way. So I had this for a while and I would use it and then I'd totally forget about it, and then I'd use it again and I'd forget, and I basically was like, I'm so sorry. I cannot get my thoughts together and remember to use this serum. And they were so nice and have been and still are months later. It's kind of embarrassing actually. So when I finally started to use it consistently, I was probably about 3 weeks in and I was already starting to see a pretty good difference, and all of a sudden my eyes got really irritated. But as it turns out, it was an eye cream that I started using, actually a hypoallergenic eye cream. That's the weirdest part about it. So obviously some ingredient didn't agree with my eyes. So at that point, I stopped using the lash serum and the eye cream like all together. And I gave my eyes like 2 or 3 weeks just to make sure it was 100% good. And then when I went back in with my serum, it was 100% fine. Yeah. So I've been using this lash serum now with no issues. It was always the eye cream. So that's kind of disappointing that I took all that time off, because my final results are amazing. I'm first going to insert a clip of the first time that I'm using it. I think I took some up close shots of my eyes and my lashes and what they look like. As you can see, my lashes really want to just kind of hang down like this. That's naturally how they look though, and my lashes are very hard to curl and they're not very long or thick anymore. I'm going to kind of look down so you guys can see the length of my lashes. They're not very long, so that's what my lashes look like. Nothing impressive. Very straight out. So hopefully we're going to see a big improvement. I'm going to look into a mirror and apply a thin coat to each lash line. And I feel like for me, with every year that passes, my lashes get shorter, they get fewer, they're finer, they're lighter. Like, it doesn't make any sense. I used to have long, full, dark lashes, and now I feel like I do again. So I'm just gonna take a look at my lashes so I can tell you what I personally see, because obviously I look at my eyeballs up close every single day. I put on mascara, I'm washing my face, I see everything. So I see a huge difference in the length of my lashes, the fullness. I feel like my lashes are even darker. Call me crazy. They're definitely much fuller. I've gotten so many questions and compliments on my eyelashes since I started using this. It's unbelievable. And also, one thing that I want to note, that this is kind of weird, and I don't know if they would recommend doing this because it's supposed to be for your top lash line, but what I would do when I'm done is whatever's left on the little brush, I actually put it like on the outer corner of my lower lash line. And previously, for probably like a year, I had trouble where my little eyelashes at the bottom were turning in and actually getting into my eye. And at one point I was so lost about like, how do I stop this? Because it would literally curl back in there. It was just like curling in, that I actually pulled them out at one point because it was so irritating. So the serum, just that tiny bit that's left on the brush that I was putting there, actually made the lashes grow out again and grow straight. I don't know how that worked. Like, they're curling down instead of curling all like funky into my eye. So yeah, I don't know if anybody else would do that or recommend that, but yeah, it's crazy. I also decided to test it out within the last couple of weeks and put it in the front of my brow. I'm missing like a big section right at the front of my brow, and I actually see like new hair growth there. They do have a specific eyebrow serum, which after seeing any growth in my eyebrows, I'm really tempted to purchase. I love this. I need more of this. It's getting to the point where there's not as much on the brush. Like, I'm starting to run out, and I don't want to go without it. I actually love all the products, so that's a problem. So quickly, I want to show you guys the X lips that I have. Is honestly phenomenal. Like I said, under liquid lips by itself is great. It's very hydrating. I feel like my lips have really been healthier lately. They're not peeling as much, they're not as dry, and overall they look better. So I love that. And then they also sent me the mascara, which I'm gonna be honest, I haven't used much. So the mascara looks like this. It's a pretty simple mascara. It does have a bit of a curved wand. You guys know, if you've watched any of my videos, I am extremely picky with mascaras. This is not an all-time favorite, but I do not hate it, and that's saying a lot because I hate a lot of mascaras. All right, so here's a close-up side by side of my lashes with no mascara, and then my lashes with mascara. I probably should have filmed this with makeup on so that I would look nicer, but I just thought I want you to see just lashes, just that, and focus on it because it's amazing. All right, so there are both my lashes with the mascara on. I have to say, I really love the results. 5 stars for this lash serum. Like, it is amazing. Also, I would give 5 stars for the X lips. I love that as well. And if I was rating on like a 5-star scale, I would give this 4 stars. It's pretty good, and as you can tell, it did help to volumize and lengthen my lashes further. I have always felt uncomfortable going out with no makeup, and it's one of those things, it's just your comfort level. But the thing I would always do is put on mascara, because like, I gotta have that. But nowadays, if I go with no makeup or like a no makeup look, I'm fine with no mascara, and that's saying a lot. Or I will use a very simple mascara that just gives like color to the lashes, something like that. That's impressive for me. So I really do love the results. I'll have everything linked below so that you can easily access it. I'm so happy with my results, and I'll definitely be repurchasing the X Lash Serum. I love it so much. Honestly, I just didn't think that I would see such a major difference in my lashes. Once I got in the habit of using it, it was the easiest thing to do at night, my last step in my skincare routine. And yes, I'm gonna use this up to the very last drop, and I'm definitely gonna have to get some more. So I hope you guys liked hearing about this. I'm sorry if this was a longer video than I intended. I was like, oh, I'll bang this out in like 3 minutes, it's gonna be good. But then honestly, there is more information to share. I wanted you guys to get all the information that I could tell you. I do think it's a really good product. So I highly recommend that. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think below if you're seeing a big difference in my lashes. I know I personally am, and maybe that's different because I'm like right here looking at it, but I mean, I have to say, before this, I thought I was just stuck with shorter, thinner lashes and didn't think that I would ever have those beautiful full lashes again, but I do. I literally have the lashes that I had when I was a kid. You know, you always see like babies and toddlers that have the most beautiful lashes, and now I do too. So thank you guys again. I love you. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Definitely be sure to leave a thumbs up if you like these type of reviews, and of course check out X Lash. I will also link their Instagram as well if you want to check them out there, and I'll see you guys in my next video.